Well, I did it again. I bought another car. It's a Lincoln. This one is this one's nice-ish, kinda. It's not. That's not good. Why do I do this to myself? It's a convertible.
Hey, I'm Josh.
And I'm Anthony.
And this is Redhead Garage, where automotive enthusiasts who buy,
Revive,
fix,
sometimes break,
anything we can find with an engine.
Okay. What did I get myself into this time? 1967 Lincoln Continental, or as it once was called, Lincoln Continental. This is a beast of a car. This is what they call the land. This is what you call a land yacht right here. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. We got the suicide doors. But they work too. Look at the interior. And this is why you buy these. Look at that. Barn doors, also known as suicide doors. Staple of the Lincoln Continental. And this is a 67. Last year for the convertible top. If my research is correct, they only made about 2,000 of these with the convertibles. I think it was 2,000 convertible, not the actual car. You get them hard tops too. Look at that beast. Now here's the pretty side. This is where our weight reduction is happening. See that? Oh yeah. 1, 2 flat tires. These doors see nicer days. Ooh, you know, suicide doors. It's a convertible. Oh god. This is rough. So, as you just saw, it's basically showroom quality. You know, just clean it up a bit, and she's ready for the show. Be a horror show. Not a good show. It's bad. It's bad. It's real bad. This is just gonna pull that out. Good as new. Nice thing about convertibles is you get your hair in the wind, and the windshield's just in the way of that. So to knock that out, you just let the luscious locks flow in the wind as you drive it down the road. This is definitely gonna drive down the road again. Okay. Okay. Well, I guess I should probably tell you a story. What the hell this is and why I got it. So, as we've established already, I got a 1967 Lincoln Continental with the convertible top. Clearly the convertible top in the window, in the fender, in the bottom, in the floors. A lot of this thing, in general, this car has seen some better days. So, the story behind it is it's been sitting for at least 20 years, I believe, in the same spot. The original owner, or at least the guy I bought it from, it was his dad's car. His dad passed away 2 years ago, and he parked it 20 plus years ago. I think something to do with when the windshield cracked, completely got shattered. He said screw it, they parked it, and someone's messed with it obviously, but he made it sound like it hasn't ran since then, no one's played with it. And apparently, the windshield got destroyed when it was at the shop getting a new windshield put in. I don't know how that happens, but clearly they did a bad job. Clearly. But, you know, might have ran when parked. Who knows last time this season started. I haven't tried starting it yet. Maybe we'll do that. Maybe we won't. Anyway, I have it now, so that's cool. I guess I should do something with it. But in all seriousness, I bought this car with a purpose. I've been looking for this car. Well, not this car specifically. I've been looking for the transmission out of this car. Because I happen to have a 1969 Lincoln Continental that is ready for paint and ready to be put back together. The only thing I've been missing was an engine and transmission. And thankfully, the one thing that's got going for it is it got an engine and a transmission, specifically a transmission. And one thing about these is the transmission in these cars, I think from 66 to 69, they use a C6 transmission, but they use a special C6 transmission with like a curved bell housing to clear the heater box in these. Because even with such a big car, the engine bay is really not that large, just large enough to fit the motor. We'll see that in a little bit. And well, the Lincoln I have, I bought it, and it did not have an engine or transmission, or at least not the correct engine transmission for the car, and it wasn't one I wanted to use. So I've just kind of been pigeonholed. I've been blocked on working on that 69 Lincoln until I found the transmission. And with the rarity of them, I had no intention of finding it. Well, I had intentions. I didn't expect to find it for a year or two. I don't know, I've been passively looking for a while now, and I've had no luck. But thankfully, this thing was for sale in my local community, and I almost didn't go buy it because I didn't realize the 67 had the same transmission. Because this one has a 462 and my car came with a 460. But supposedly the transmission is supposed to be the same. We'll bolt to both of them. Bolt up to both of them. And I might even use the 462 if I get the thing running. Yeah, so I think before I try to get the motor running, I'm going to try to clean up that interior. It's rough to say the least, and I don't want to sit in or do anything until I know what I got, because I've not gone through this. We dragged this. I dragged this back to my house from the undisclosed location of where I purchased it with my F350. Did great, but as you noticed, the wheel's flat, and the wheels over there is flat. They were holding air when we started dragging. They were not by the time I got back. I was hoping the drums would break free. That didn't happen. They stay seized. Yeah. So I'll show the video now of being dragged. I'm sorry. Before you hear the video, just lower your volume. It's loud. It made some noises. It was a good time. It was a good time.
So we're trying to drag this Continental that Josh bought down the road to his house. And I had to put the 7.3 in four-wheel drive because it's really locked up. And we got a car that's coming and it's really taking its time. So we'll see. I'll wait for them to go by. They're really moseying.
Okay, so rear end's locked up. This should go well. Go up the car. This is a bad idea.
He's just back there in the convertible. At least I came when he was done with all the hard stuff, so don't hurt my feelings any.
What? He's looking at me. In front of who? What? Oh, there's a... Whatever.
You know what? I'm just gonna go.
scared.
It's that's kind of cool. At least the 7.3's not doing too bad. Josh is just back there having a good old time, I'm sure. I can definitely tell that both tires are still locked up. Pretty sure those drums have not freed up at all. Going about 10 miles an hour. I don't know if you can hear that. Now, typically we wouldn't do this if, you know, we had to go any sort of distance, but we don't have to go that far. That thing is screaming. Not doing too bad. He's going for a ride of his life. Alright, now we're on gravel, so we didn't get the screaming.
Oh, that's not scary. That's fine. Everything's fine.
But thank God the four-wheel drive works in this 7.3 that he got for a work truck. Because we wouldn't be pulling that thing with us. We'd have to use my gray truck instead. And that would not be great. That's a really bad hole.
Yeah, that kind of works.
So I'm gonna wait a little bit here, let this car pass, and then we'll make a kind of a wide turn to get in here.
Okay, we made it back. Oh my god. That's dragging. This is fine. My neighbors must think I'm the biggest redneck. All my neighbors walked outside and started cheering me on as this was being dragged out in front of the house. You guys are the best.
Look at that tractor. We're gonna redo the driveway after we destroyed it. I don't know exactly where we're gonna put this thing, to be honest. I think we're gonna put it right here so we can kind of move around it. Yeah, call that good. Good enough for now. All right.
It was dragging a bit. The exhaust was dragging the ground. We lost the tire.
Oh, did it pop?
That was brown when we left. PSI, I think it's probably at 0 now.
Yeah.
Yeah, high damage. That one survived. So the good thing is the two.
Why did that one pop?
Okay, so fun update. I don't know if I said it when I was doing my video earlier. That tire and the one on the other side are the ones I put on off of the 69 over there. Good thing I have the good tires off the good car on this car. Shit, those are rollers. Anyway, it's here. My 67 Lincoln Continental. She's beautiful.
For parts.
Beautiful.
Parts only.
Yeah, it's a parts car.
Yeah.
So I guess I haven't showed you guys. Like, I might as well walk since it's the background. I'll show you what we're actually working on. So I have a 1969 Lincoln Continental, if you can't tell by seeing it. So I have this bought a little bit ago. I've had it before we started this channel. That's why I never showed it showing. That's fine. So this is a complete car. Everything you see missing off it. I have all the trim. This car was stripped ready for paint. That's a whole story I'll get into later. But I don't have a motor transmission. That's where...
I thought you put a big block in it.
Yeah, put a big block.
Is it still in it?
Yeah.
Oh, let's show the big block. Yeah.
I think it should still be there. Hope it gets stolen. So it has a big block currently in it.
Got him.
Like and subscribe for some more quality content. Yeah. So as you see, other than let's make room for the new motor.
There you go.
I don't have a motor and transmission. That's the only thing this car doesn't have was a motor and transmission. I have the hood and all that. The new one has the 462, which is not what this car needs. It needs a 460. But the real reason I got it is because it has a super specific transmission. It has like a special C6 transmission with a rounded bell housing that was only available from 67, 68, and 69 Lincoln Continental. So it's like a very rare Ford C6 variant. And so I had to go buy that Lincoln, which was not roadworthy. I'll probably part it out, but I got the transmission. I can finally start on this project. And I got a few parts I can probably steal off that as well. And for all you guys out here who are sad to see the Big Blue, I guess we can walk back over to it, who is sad to see Big Blue over here get parted out. Good thing is, anything I can save off that car is gonna be for sale. So if you hit the comments, tell me if you need some of that. I don't need any of the convertible parts. And it seems like the trunk lids are all good. The doors are pretty decent on the passenger side. All the windows are there, and there's a bunch of like grill pieces stuff that I'm not going to use. So look on eBay. I'll probably post stuff in forums, but we got a parts card, and it was going to go to the wrecker, so I'm able to try to save it from a scrapyard and getting cubed, and hopefully you guys can restore your own. So thank you. We got to find a place to put this on the property for now, and yeah.
Awesome. You guys will see what comes next.
Yeah, maybe we'll get that one running.
Maybe
I'll do nothing. Who knows?
Thanks for watching. If you like what you've seen, maybe like, comment, or subscribe
For more hot content.